Okay, let's talk about roof flashings and the importance of them. So this is a flipped home. I'm on top of the roof right now. As you can see, we get the three amigos here, or the three stooges, I should say. So we always wonder, what were they thinking when they did stuff like this? So this flashing here should be tucked underneath this row. And the only exposed area should be right about here. What they did was they just tucked this under the closest row on top here and just patched around it. That's just laziness or ignorance. I'm not sure which one to go with here. But 1, 2, 3 in a row. And they managed to do it on this one as well. And this one as well. And then they terminated a vent that was coming through here, and this is how they left it. This metal should have been removed. They should have fixed the plywood and then re-roofed this area so it just looks like this. This is just laziness. That's all that is. This may be ignorance and laziness, you never know. And here's a good example of what the flashing should look like. So as you can see, you only see this much at the bottom. All this is covered with shingles, so the shingles go around the pipe. Even though that's a bigger pipe, it would be the same install. So you should see these two rows. Well, these are here. These rows are underneath the flashing. This needs to be under this and this, and only stick out here at the bottom. Okay, so a few pointers. Poor flashings. This will dry out as it already is. As you can see, I can push down here. It's already cracked, so this will start letting water get underneath. High enough winds and heavy rain will push water underneath this flashing, and it could get into the building. So you got to do the flashings right, just like installing the shingles correctly. The shingle installation looks pretty good, but flashing, definitely not. Another episode of What Were They Thinking? Please subscribe, and we'll continue to send out more home inspection defects. CallTheAuthority.com.